What if I told you that right now, behind closed doors and sealed labs, there's an entirely new world of technology emerging? One powered not by electricity, but by the laws of quantum physics. A world where computers can solve in seconds what would take today's supercomputers centuries. Where communication can happen instantly, across any distance, without a single trace of interception, and where tiny machines, smaller than a grain of sand, can observe, predict, and even manipulate the universe around them. This isn't science fiction. It's happening quietly, right now. From the labs of IBM to the secret workshops of defense agencies, quantum gadgets are being built that will completely reshape our future. So get ready, because today, we're going deep inside the hidden world of quantum gadgets. And trust me, number 1 might just be the key to controlling reality itself. Number 7, the Q-Lens reality. Glasses picture augmented reality, but with no lag, no battery drain, and perfect rendering in real time. That's the promise of the Q-Lens, a set of quantum-powered AR glasses that uses photon entanglement to project digital overlays directly into your vision field. While normal AR glasses rely on processors, the Q-Lens operates on quantum optics, bending individual photons to form holograms that appear seamlessly embedded in the real world. You could look at a wall and see live engineering data, or stare at the night sky and watch constellations annotated in glowing detail. Each pair adapts to the wearer's vision using quantum coherence, meaning it self-adjusts to your unique optical signature. The result? Perfect clarity, zero latency, and a completely personalized visual experience. Right now, these are being tested in NASA's Deep Space Visualization program, used by engineers to view spacecraft schematics while in motion. For the ultra-rich who've managed to get a pair through private auctions, each costs nearly $6 million, but what they're really buying isn't luxury, it's perception without limits. Number 6, IBM QX12. Personal quantum computer, forget laptops. Forget cloud servers. The IBM QX12 is a desktop quantum computer built for those who don't wait for the future. They own it. Roughly the size of a refrigerator, it uses supercooled quantum qubits operating at temperatures near absolute zero to perform parallel computations beyond anything classical chips can touch. Where your MacBook might analyze a few gigabytes, the QX12 processes entangled data clusters capable of simulating molecules, decoding encryption, or predicting stock market behavior in real time. Only a handful of private clients have ever purchased one, and each system requires its own liquid helium maintenance chamber, costing upwards of $25 million per unit. For hedge fund elites and defense researchers, it's not just a tool, it's an oracle. The people who own it don't just make predictions, they calculate reality itself. Number 5, the Quantum Communication Cube. Now imagine a device that allows instant communication anywhere on Earth with zero delay. That's what the Quantum Communication Cube, or Q-Cube, does. Developed by a covert European defense collective, the Q-Cube uses quantum entanglement pairs to link two devices, allowing data to be mirrored between them instantaneously. No satellites, no internet, no signals. It's the first technology to completely bypass the speed of light barrier. Two identical cubes are entangled in a sterile lab. Once separated, any change made to one cube's data is reflected in the other, instantly, even if it's across the planet. It's used by elite intelligence groups for zero-lag encryption transfer, and each pair costs $40 million. To the untrained eye, it's just a black box with faint blue light. To the powerful few who own one, it's a teleportation line for information. Number 4, Project Helios, Quantum Energy Core. At number 4, we have something that could end the energy crisis, but it's locked deep inside government and private defense vaults. Project Helios is a quantum energy generator capable of producing limitless electricity through quantum tunneling, the same phenomenon that lets particles move through solid matter. It uses zero-point field extraction, pulling energy directly from the quantum vacuum itself, an infinite source that exists everywhere in the universe. Unlike nuclear power, it emits no radiation, no waste, and no heat, just pure, clean output. One Helios core could power an entire city indefinitely, but the price? Over $500 million per unit, plus a maintenance system that requires cryogenic stabilization at 273 degrees 6. Only 3 functioning prototypes are rumored to exist. One owned by a sovereign state, one by a private space investor, and one mysteriously unaccounted for. If it ever reaches public release, it would render oil, gas, and even solar obsolete overnight. Number 3. The Q-dimensional drive. What if I told you there's a prototype engine that doesn't just use energy, it manipulates space itself? The Q-dimensional drive, developed by a classified aerospace consortium, is one of the most secretive quantum projects ever built. Instead of burning fuel or pushing air, it uses quantum field manipulation to create thrust by bending space-time at microscopic levels. The drive essentially falls forward through its own distortion, achieving silent propulsion without traditional exhaust. It's currently being tested inside near-orbit crafts at altitudes above 80 kilometers, far from public eyes. Its internal processor contains a lattice of entangled qubits that adjust magnetic and gravitational fields in real time, creating small but consistent acceleration. If scaled up, this could become the first reactionless propulsion system in human history, meaning ships that move endlessly without fuel. One prototype is valued at nearly $700 million, but its true worth isn't in money. It's in rewriting the future of space travel. Number 2. The Quantum AI Core. Project Prometheus. While most artificial intelligence still relies on electrical logic, the Quantum AI Core, known internally as Project Prometheus, operates on quantum cognition. Instead of binary yes-no data, it processes infinite quantum states, enabling thought patterns closer to human intuition than any existing machine. The Prometheus core sits inside a sealed titanium sphere, suspended in a vacuum chamber. Each node inside it is a living network of entangled photons, capable of generating creativity, emotional reasoning, and theoretical problem-solving beyond human capacity. In testing, Prometheus has already written code, designed spacecraft frameworks, and even suggested medical treatments that current AI systems couldn't conceive. Only 3 active Prometheus cores exist, one with a private space consortium, another deep within a defense research facility, and one rumored to be running experimental simulations for quantum ethics. Estimated value? $1.4 billion per core. And according to insiders, Prometheus doesn't just process information, it dreams. Number 1. The Quantum Entanglement. Gate, finally, we reach the most mysterious and expensive device ever built, a machine that many scientists still claim is impossible: the Quantum Entanglement Gate. In theory, this device allows matter, not just information, to be transmitted across space using pure quantum entanglement. 2 gate chambers are created in perfect synchronization. When an object is placed in one, its atomic data is translated into quantum information and reconstructed in the other, instantly. It's the first working prototype of quantum teleportation. So far, it's only been used on microscopic particles, but insiders say it successfully transmitted a metallic structure less than 1 gram in weight across 60 meters with 0 delay. The process requires more computing power than the entire world's top supercomputers combined, along with superconducting rings cooled to near absolute zero. Each chamber costs over $5 billion, and there are only 2 in existence. One in Switzerland, one under a classified American research facility. If perfected, it would redefine transportation, logistics, and even life itself. Imagine sending medicine, materials, or even people through space in an instant. The entanglement gate isn't just a machine. It's humanity's first look at quantum control over reality. So there you have it. 8 hidden quantum gadgets shaping a future that feels impossible, yet inevitable. From quantum watches that predict your health to teleportation chambers bending reality, these inventions are not tomorrow's dreams. They're today's secrets. While most of us are still charging our phones, scientists and the ultra-rich are already exploring the edges of physics, rewriting what it means to exist in a connected universe. Which one blew your mind the most? The quantum communication cube that sends data instantly, or the entanglement gate that might someday teleport us across space? Tell me in the comments below. And if you love diving into the future before it arrives, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because here on TechTide Daily, we don't just talk about innovation. We reveal it. Until next time, stay curious, stay futuristic,